We're gonna seal the chip on the wall with masking tape, so less putty. To make the cut on the board more accurate, put a small piece of wood of the same size and put the marks. Now the board fits perfectly into any shape. If you attach a pencil to scissors with electrical tape, then they will make an excellent compass. Our first life hack is for the works with rounded shapes. Look how perfectly it fits. Take a plastic tube and stretch a steel hose into it. We fix it and heat it up with a construction blower. Now you can bend it at any angle. To go around the steel pipe, first we outline the future places along the lines. The bores are now compatible and round hole is indicated. Fits in perfectly. And if the junction is at the angle, then just make those marks, cut off the excess, turn it over, and the board fits perfectly. By the way, a regular fork is great as a nail puller. Sometimes it's difficult to make a carving with your own hands, so a special tool is used. Drill a hole in the long nut and insert a bolt on each side. Insert a tab into the hole and scroll without problems. After working with the tape, don't suffer with cutting it. Hold the corners like this and tear it off evenly with a quick movement. If the drill is dull on metal, you can always cut off the blunt part and then resharpen it with a grinder. We will wrap most of it with electrical tape and use it as a chisel. Now, other drills will not have problems. Plus, it's perfect for marking on metal. Take a steel plate with holes and mark the places of cuts. Let's go through them with a grinder. Now we bend at the angle we need. We'll fix the grinder inside this structure and work with it will become much more comfortable. And if you want to remove the crack from this board, let's scrape it out. Then take a solid board and scrape the same piece out of it. Now we apply glue and apply a piece, cover the press down well. And after a couple of hours, we clean everything up and it remains to grind. So the board is like new. And if we don't want the pencil to skip the ruler all the time, let's make a special groove in the ruler. Now the lines are always straight. Look what an interesting device I've got. I always drill the perfect hole with it. Like now, for example. I'll drive a wooden plug into the hole and use it as a tool stop to drill new holes. See, it's perfect. And if you make such notches on the plug, then it will definitely not fall out of the board. And the boards are easy to connect at right angles. Using the attached marker, draw a perfectly straight line on the bottle. Separate the cork with the neck from it, leaving such a skirt. You have to bend it like this. We find a video of 3D holograms on YouTube. Put the skirt on the screen, Turn off the light and be amazed. Just look. These are real holograms. So many things, and all of that was needed was a plastic bottle and a phone.